YouTube, Eric DIY here with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Wasserstein high capacity power bank for the Arlo Q. By having this power bank, it's going to make our Arlo Q, which we currently have in Zach's playroom downstairs to make sure that he's okay down there. But it's going to make the Arlo Q be portable around the house. So you can basically make the camera go anywhere you need to put it. It is 10,000 milliamp hours of battery. It's lithium ion, and it has an operation time of up to 12 hours. They include 2 USB cables to connect to the camera, and the battery itself has a mounting place for the Arlo Q camera, which we will look at. As far as the power bank itself, it has an on-off switch. It comes half charged by having these 2 lights here. So I'm going to charge it with the Power solar battery that we charge with solar power, and then this will be solar charged for the Arlo Q. So to charge the battery pack, we're going to insert the micro USB into the micro USB port, and then we have the normal USB, and we're going to plug that into the 2.1 amp connector here on the solar power generator. We did a review on this almost 3/4 of a year ago, so if you want to see the review of that, you can. I'll leave a link in the description below. But it's just going to charge, and we're going to wait for it to be somewhat full before we hook up the Arlo Q camera. And if you're wondering how many watts it takes to charge this, it's at 7 watts. Here is where we keep Zach's Arlo Q. It's in his playroom, and as you can see, it's hardwired into the wall, which goes behind his little kitchen set there. We're going to hook up that battery pack to this thing, and it will make it portable around the house, and we'll go from there. By the way, we also reviewed this Arlo Q a long time ago. I just unplugged it and now it's reconnecting. But if you'd like to see that review, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to that review. It's been an excellent camera, and it has 2-way communication, so it's an excellent thing to have. We got the Arlo Q from Zachary's playroom, and we have the Wasserstein power bank for it. And all it's going to do is just going to slide right on there. It doesn't matter if it's backwards or forwards. I learned that only because once you slide it on there, just line it up, put it on, slide it back in, and then it's all locked on there. The thing is, you can actually rotate this all the way around the base. So it doesn't matter which way it is at first, because you can point it to whatever you want to. I'm going to use the smaller USB cable to hook this up, and we're going to have it come out the main USB right here. And it's going to plug into the micro USB on the back here on the Netgear. Now as you can see, the orange light is on. It's going to connect to the internet, and the power bank is being used. The Arlo Q is synced up with the internet again, as evidenced by the blue light on the bottom of it. And again, you can move this any way you want to. Right now we have it pointing right back at the camera, and I have the Arlo Q app working, and you can see us right here, right on phone. It is a little delayed. The Arlo Q is a little delayed because it buffers, but you can record, take pictures, and also talk through it as well. We can turn the sound on really quick. I'll turn it off because it's just going to echo. And we also have Madeline in the background eating lunch. Yeah. So we're going to actually use this camera on Madeline, making probably her second debut on the Eric DIY channel today.
Which I'm the brother.
That's right, Zach's the big brother. We have the Arlo Q in a demo situation, if you will. We have it up here on the table, pointing towards the kids. Again, we use this for his playroom, but you can actually transport this all around the house now. It can be used like a baby monitor. Now as you can see, Zach and Maddie are in the distance. Wave hi.
Oh, Maddie waves too.
So, it does work, and it's now a portable camera anywhere it goes. Hey, Maddie.
Hello.
Hi, Zach.
Which is the
Hey, Maddie.
Mama.
So yeah, definitely great for kids. So the Wasserstein power bank for the Arlo Q is working perfectly. There's only one more thing that I would think about doing, and that is leaving this plugged into the battery and then having the battery charge at the same time, so it's more of a battery backup, which is how I think I'm going to try to use it. So we're going to test that hypothesis by going back down to Zach's playroom, keeping this on the base, and having the wall charger plug in, and hopefully it'll just be a battery backup in case the power goes out. I have the AC adapter, the original one from the Arlo Q, plugged into the charging port. Now as you can see, it's charging while also powering the Arlo Q. So it's doing a great job on that. Definitely usable as a backup power supply when the power goes out. So that's how I'm gonna leave it, honestly, for Zach's playroom. Use that as a battery backup though. It might make the battery not last as long, only because it's continually charging until it's full. And it is lithium ion though, so it will last a while. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but it's probably, if you want the maximum life out of the battery, better just as a portable power device. If you'd like to purchase your Wasserstein power bank for the Arlo Q, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric the Wire channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video review and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of future Eric the Wire video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.